So today we're revisiting an old trail we visited. Didn't do it on camera because, you know, sometimes it's best to just not record everything. We're gonna visit the forbidden trails. Basically, it's the trails we didn't get to go on because there's a bunch of mosquitoes usually. Listen. That was the same bird I saw the one time. Oh, right, the secret path. It's down this way. Got my stick with me, self-defense. Got a yo-yo with me, self-defense. Also, self-defense against these mosquitoes. Various mosquitoes, many mosquitoes. Apparently, they just had this long, hidden trail down here that just has natural area. Do not bypass. Why did you have us going down this trail to begin with if you're just gonna cut it off? I mean, I understand they probably have a trail for people that can go down there if other people can. But still, you could have put the sign a bit closer, you know? Not halfway down it. Way too many mosquitoes, you can't see anything. Mom! It's a bee! I felt it land on my head, I still hear it buzzing. I'm scared for my life. I don't know. God, more mosquitoes. Can't see anything. For those that don't know, I have incredible childhood trauma of bees stinging me for no reason. I sat down one day, got stung by a bee. Crouched down to plug in my Chromebook, got stung by a bee. Yeah, I hate bees. So feeling one land on my head, just... Another one. Another one. Why? I don't like this. Down the second forbidden trail. Very thin. Plants on any side. Possibly poison ivy. Much possibly, quite possibly a bee incoming again. Motorcycles in the distance for some reason. I just heard a voice, I'm pretty sure.
You always hear voices.
Yeah, in my head, they tell me to do bad things. But I don't.
I almost thought that was a bumblebee.
There's a bee. Oh god. I feel like we shouldn't have went down here. It's nothing but just thin trail. And apparently bumblebees.
I'm sick as fucking mosquitoes.
As long as they don't go in your eye like the one did to me, it should be fine. Stonehenge tree. Yeah, this trail never ends, basically.
I'm sure it keeps going.
Yeah. And there's bees, apparently. And the mosquitoes only get worse as you go past it. Yeah, you guys can go down this treacherous path of death if you want to. It's over at Duncan Bay. I just had a mosquito try to go into my ear. I'm shaking my head rapidly now. Goodbye. That's it for this trail. Although there is another trail we're going to be going to. Yeah.
Yeah?
Listen. Where's... There it is. What is that? No clue what that was. Some kind of bird. Next walk, I'm going to be leaving my stick here, and I'm going to have my yo-yo that I found just a few days ago with me. Yo-yos, you could spin them to try to keep flies and whatnot away, and you can use them as a weapon as well as... What was that? It scared away the bird! Here's where having the stick comes in handy yet again. Also, yes, I did bring the stick because there's not much bugs on this path. There might be a bee, though. Well, there is guaranteed to be a bee. There's a giant metal bee. Okay, on to the third, final, secret path. Sneak increased to 100 path. on this walk. I just walked by a natural Cheerio.
I've never seen one in nature before.
Oh yes, the lawn mowing path. What is this and where are we? This is really odd. I didn't remember this path. Really just a lawn mowing path. I think there's a mosquito on my arm. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Oh, it literally is just a lawn mowing path. That was just a joke. I didn't know it was actually meant for lawn mowing. Speedrun time! There's another path? Oh, it's just a beaver path.
Damn.
Oh, literally. The path is open, I think.
They'd have it blocked off if it wasn't.
What is this? They even have like a little wheelchair ramp. That's nice. Is that an anchor? There's an anchor in the water there. There's lots of stuff. I want to see if there's frogs here. Hello there. There is. I saw bloop bloop bloops in the water. I 100% heard a boom come from the water. There is frogs. Hi.
Did you get that?
The video didn't.
Oh. Maybe if they're light. They can walk down here at night.
Mm.
How romantic.
You know, we never actually went down here. What the? They have like a whole dirt path for the people that don't actually want to.
No.
What happened to the water? Oh, Michigan-shaped rock. Herb.
You know what kind that is?
Preston Clay's burb. What the?
It's a red-winged blackbird. They probably use that as a short
There's a goose. There's a goose up there, blocking the path. Looks like it has a nest.
That's actually a duck.
I don't know. There's a duck up there. Okay. Oh, there's others. Bye. Sorry. Over there in the water now. So what a beaver got a hold of this thing. Looks like they have a nest, maybe, nearby.
I don't know. Well, just because they're hanging out over there doesn't mean they have enough there.
No, they probably didn't, because you think they defend the eggs, and I just, oh, okay, you're on your own. Just fly away. There's a burp. There's a burp. Just checking the record time. I got like 4 more minutes. Oh, and the docks are open now, too. You know, all this stuff is new. These trees weren't here before. We were down here. None of this was here, I'm pretty sure. And they got all the docks here and whatnot. See something moving on that stump back there. But yeah, you guys remember this, right? The stump, not the stumps. The docks. All the docks are here now. It looks like there's a staircase leading down there. And this is awesome. There's just a random thing in the ground here. Yeah, see, there's docks here to look out, and I was gonna say, why is there holes in here? But it's like fishing rod holes, like that. Fish and whatnot. The Walter. And then there's this rock staircase down here. Mom, are you fine with me going down the rock staircase? Okay. So yeah, there's like... None of this was here before, I don't think.
No, I can't swim, so you're fucked if you fall in.
Okay. Yeah. We should come down here and try to skip rocks. I actually know how. Give me a second. Let me find a nice rock. Here we go. So you're going to want to hold the rock like this. And... oh well. Shell piece. This Mom found a shell piece. Okay, second try. Okay, you want to spin it and... This piece is more of like a piece of brick. It's not going to work. I need a smooth, flat rock. There we go. One more try. These are those stairs again. This is the area where I said it's not best to bring your dogs, because, you know, there's a... Oh, they tried to, like, carve out the trail, make it a bit wider. That's nice. Just climb up the rock steps. Yeah, they made this a lot less dangerous than before. Minus this here. Fall down there and you're gone forever. Almost tripped and died because this rock here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! The rotten plank of doom. Here it is. The rotten plank of doom. Okay. Butterflies. Doesn't have paint on it. That's goofy. There's a bird over there. Hey. Herb. No. Herb. On the left. There's stuff up here. Oh, it's a silly rock. Wait, I wonder, is that one of the... Yeah, it's one of the silly little collector thing rocks. You gotta find the rocks. We don't do those. That's kind of cool. Hold on. Speedrun strat. Speedrun strat. Into the pool. Speedrun strat. Speedrun strat. One right there. They put too many on this trail. Another rock. Funny joke. You rock. Because it's a rock. Another one literally right next to that. Like, I gotta find better hiding spots, man. Heard a rustling. Oh well. Ha.
Dinner!
Okay, cool. Glad I couldn't hear what the rustling was. That's cool. Are you okay?
No.
Oh, that's the yellow stuff. The yellow pea road from down the funny slope.
We covered it. Remember, it was on
Down the yellow pea road. Funny joke. There's a rabbit here. I knew I heard a rustling. Walk down here, there's a rabbit.
I wonder if they'll bring us to Wonderland.
You know, fair point. All the colors of the trees around here. It's a bit suspicious, kinda. See, look, the trees. Looks a bit Alice in Wonderland like almost. Kinda goofy. Wonder if we'll see the goober again. We're meant to be the ones calling you, not you calling us. You hear that bird? It's calling us. Oh, it's down this trail again. There's another trail going off that way. Just saw that bird fly up. That's kind of cool. Off this trail, I guess. I'm gonna start a new one because it's getting kind of long.